How are you going to sell your home in St. Petersburg, Florida without a real estate agent? This is the video for you. I am a licensed realtor in the area. If you have any questions, my information is down below in the description. So let's get started. Number one, if you're selling your home by yourself, you've got to figure out what is the perfect price for your home. If it's worth $500,000, you put it up for $550,000, nobody's calling you, you're getting no action on the property. On the other hand, if you put it up for $450,000 and it's worth $500,000, people will be calling you, they're ready to pay you right away. If they're going to say $50,000, they'll be right on that, but you just lost out on $50,000. So find the right price point for your property. You can go on Zillow, look around the area, figure out what's selling price per square foot in your area with the same amenities. If you have a pool, if you've got a garage, a big open kitchen, price per square foot is really helpful. Along with all those. So figure out what is right for your property and list it for that price. Number three, now you've got interest in your house. You've got nice pictures, great description. It's on the MLS. Everyone's seeing it. They're going to want to come in person and walk around the property. When you're scheduling showings, you've got to have your house smelling good, looking good. You've got to have knowledge of your home. A lot of times they want to know when the roof was put on, the hot water heater, a lot of different questions like that. How old is this? How old is that? So that's good stuff for you to know. And again, back to the smell good. When you walk in, you don't want your house smelling like cat, dog, like you've been smoking in there. That is the biggest deterrent for people, is when they walk in and it just smells funny, like something's up. Even if it's something they could easily fix, first impressions are very important, and you want to have your house looking pristine. Step number 4 is negotiation. Hopefully you've got a couple different offers in on your property, and now you get to pick what you want to decide to go with. Do you go with a high offer, but it's got a long, drawn-out closing period? It's contingent on financing. Do you want to go for a more sure and concrete offer? It's cash. They can close in a couple weeks. That's all up to you. We weighing options of the different contracts. And once you've decided, hey, I think I want to go with this one, just reach out to a real estate professional, have them just look over the contract, make sure everything looks all right, ask them any questions if you don't understand, and then you're good to proceed to closing. And the 5th step is you take it to a title company. They'll walk you through any questions you've still got, and they'll process the closing for you, and you've sold your house all by yourself. Again, I'm Garrett Lister. My information is down in the description below. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me, and have a good one, guys.